Break ID number 4207. 2018 Illusions Football. One box break. Go. Wow, 3 free spots. Andrew GR, CJ DI, Jody KA. Free spots all over the place. The next break, we're rearranging the order in the admin so that it reflects the front page. So you would, at some point, I don't know when, maybe next week, you would just look at the next page to see the next one. The graphic for the current one is right there in between the left and right columns of the randomizer. 4207, sort of watermarked there. Gronk jersey. New England, William R.O. Joey Bosa jersey to 399. Chargers, CJ DI. Trey Quinn auto to 199. Washington, CJ DI. Mitch Trubisky, second year, gold parallel to 499. Baker Mayfield, rookie. Royce Freeman, RPA to 349. Denver, Andrew GR. Next one of these is down to 7. Josh Allen, rookie insert. Last pack. Vet auto to 25. Blue parallel, Lynn Dickey. Green Bay, Steve ST. Yes, we did. If you go to YouTube, you can rewind it. I believe it's the first one we did. Yeah, you can rewind YouTube to go back to the beginning. All right.